Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 16th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Another massive collapse here, another horrible day on Wall Street. This after drastic Fed action over the weekend, where they cut rates from a percent to a percent and a quarter down to zero. They initiated more QE measures. All of it fell flat today as we had the worst day since 1987. The Dow Jones Industrial Average down just about 3,000 points or 13% in one day. The S&P 500 down 325 points or 12%. The NASDAQ down 970 points or about 12.5%. While the Russell 2000 gave back 172 points, or a little over 14%. Bond market was up sharply. The yield on the 10-year note now sits at 0.72%. Crude, devastating again, a new low, down another $3 here, or 9.5%. Gold giving back 14 points here, or a little under 1%. And the dollar continuing, to move higher here in the near term. So with everything going on and everything being sold, I mean, there really are no safe havens here. Gold dropping, bond yields dropping. Even Bitcoin is down. This leaves everyone wondering, we pretty much know we're headed for a recession, but is it just going to be a recession, or could it actually be a depression? Obviously, the difference here, recession is a market that drops for at least 6 months, but usually from 6 months to 18 months, that's the period of the recession. That's the average where most fall into. A depression is when we're a period of decline for many years. And so it's the uncertainty right now that is the question, obviously being driven by the whole coronavirus issue, but the uncertainty as we move forward here is really what's putting fear into these markets, and really doesn't seem to be, we're certainly not at a point where we're slowing down. The markets have fallen 30% from their highs, but there is still a lot more room to go. So for now, I think that's more of what we can expect, more of the same here of what we've seen in the past month continuing on here. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.